Now what we're going to do is go ahead and take half the onion and garlic mixture and put it in a bowl. With that, we're going to add our broccoli. Now to the broccoli and the onions, we're going to add of our Parmesan, 2 tablespoons of our parsley. We're going to add our eggs. And then we're going to add our ricotta. Now we're going to use 2 15-ounce containers of ricotta, or you can use 1 30-ounce. It's up to you. Now you just want to mix this all together. Make sure you get all the onions and the cheese and everything mixed in. Nothing worse than just grabbing a piece of lasagna and biting down and having a big pocket of onions where it should have been mixed in. This will help distribute the flavor evenly.